All right, in this question we're asked to simplify these fractions or add or subtract them. In order to do that with any fractions, you need to have a common denominator. So in that first one, we need to factor it in order to get, in order to be able to see what the common denominator is. This is a difference of squares, so I can write it as x minus 3, x plus 3. Okay, now I've got minus x over x minus 3. So the lowest common denominator will be, I need this and this in the denominator. So I need both of those. And so when I take a look at it, the first one has both, but the second fraction, it doesn't have an x plus 3. So I need to multiply the bottom by an x plus 3. Now it's the same, but if I multiply the bottom by that, I also have to multiply the top by that. Okay, so now let's see where we're standing. Because now I have a common denominator, I can write one denominator, x minus 3, x plus 3. And then on the top, I've got 8x minus x times x plus 3. Now at this point, to simplify, I'm just going to use the distributive property to multiply that through. Okay, so I would have 8x minus x squared minus 3x all over x minus 3, x plus 3. I should collect like terms here, so maybe I'll write the minus x squared first, and then these two are alike, so I can collect them. So 8x minus 3x would be plus 5x over x minus 3, x plus 3. And the last thing I might do is on the top, I could factor out an x. Maybe I could factor out a minus x. So I'd be left with x minus 5. And I do that just in case I could cancel something on the top with something on the bottom. I can't, and so I probably would leave the question in that step there. If you go to this step, that's not wrong, and it looks good too, but I'd probably leave it there. All right, hopefully that helps you with that question.